Knowing good vocabulary is very important in writing. Using the perfect word in your sentence will help to make your ideas clearer. Try increasing your vocabulary by watching this video to learn how to use new words in sentences. Let's talk about the word assessment. Assessment means to make a judgment about something or to determine a rate or amount of something. Let's look at a few ways that we can use this word. Assessment is a noun. Here are a couple of sentences using the word assessment. The company president made the assessment that the project should be postponed. Now this means that the company president made the decision or made a judgment to wait on moving forward with the project. And here's another sentence. The tax assessment was much higher than expected. Here the word assessment means a rate or amount of something, in this case taxes. Another way that we can use this word is reassessment. Now, this is also a noun. The company decided a reassessment of the plan was necessary. Now this means that the company decided that they needed to think again about whether they should proceed with the plan or not. And here's another sentence. The reassessment of the product prices resulted in a better profit margin. This means that the prices for the products were reconsidered and changed, which produced a better profit margin. One more way that we can use this word is the verb form, the word assess. The manager needs to assess the situation before moving forward with the plan. Now, in this sentence, the manager needs to make a judgment about the situation before they move forward. And here's another sentence. The new employees were being assessed for their contribution to the department. Now, in this case, the word assess means to make a judgment about how the employees were working. And here's one more. The property was assessed at $250,000. Here, the word assess is used as determining a rate or value of something. We can also use reassess something. This means to assess something again. Now, here's an example sentence. The company needed to reassess whether they should continue with the project. And here's one more. The scientists were forced to reassess and make some changes after the new findings. In this case, the scientists needed to think again or make a new judgment after seeing the new findings. Assessment, reassessment, assess, and reassess are all good words to use in your writing. Try using some of these in your next essay.